If Chrome keeps flashing white when you open it or when you switch tabs, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Chrome white flash issue step by step using a few simple methods that solve the problem for most users. We'll start with the fastest fix, then move into a couple of extra troubleshooting steps in case the issue keeps coming back. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome. Once it's open, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then go into Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the System section. This is where Chrome keeps a performance option that can sometimes cause screen flashing or white screen behavior on startup. Find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If this is turned on, switch it off. After that, click Relaunch so Chrome can restart with the new setting applied. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the white flash issue because hardware acceleration can sometimes conflict with your graphics setup and cause temporary display glitches. If Chrome is still flashing white, the next thing to try is forcing dark mode using Chrome flags. This is especially useful if you use dark mode and Chrome still flashes a bright white screen when launching or opening new tabs. To do this, click the address bar in Chrome and type chrome://flags, then press enter. You'll see Chrome's experimental settings page. In the search bar at the top, type dark. Look for the setting called Auto Dark Mode for web contents. Change the drop-down from default to enabled. After that, click Relaunch again. This can help Chrome keep a darker appearance during loading and reduce that sudden white flash. Now let's clear the Chrome cache because damaged or corrupted cached files can also cause weird display behavior. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. That opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. If you want, you can leave your browsing history and cookies unchecked so you only remove the cache, then click Delete Data. Once it's finished, restart Chrome and check whether the white flash is gone. This is a really good step because cache issues can affect how pages and browser elements render. If you're still seeing the issue, the problem may not be Chrome itself, but your graphics driver. Outdated or buggy GPU drivers are a common reason for flashing screens, visual glitches, and rendering problems in browsers. To update your graphics driver, press Windows+X on your keyboard and click Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the section called Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card, then choose Update Driver. Follow the on-screen prompts and let Windows search for an updated driver. If an update is found, install it and restart your computer afterward. This can make a big difference, especially if the flashing started after a system update or driver change. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the Chrome white flash problem. In most cases, disabling hardware acceleration is the best place to start. And if that doesn't work, the dark mode flag, cache clear, and graphics driver update usually take care of the rest. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.